Hey guys, welcome back to Creatober Day 10. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description down below. So on already the 10th day of Creatober, the word is Grin. And when I think of a Grin, I can only think of one person, the legendary Richard D. James. So a while ago I encountered a playlist on Spotify that was named Aphex Twin Ambient, Not Scary. I found this really funny, so I figured out I'd design a compilation for my favorite Aphex Twin Ambient tracks that aren't scary. And of course, with the word Grin, I just had to make the cover art insanely scary. I mirrored the photo from the Richard D. James album and I modified it a little bit, so with some filter stacking the design would look really creepy. I experimented some more with what I had, and I ended up with this Rorschach, I hope I pronounced that correctly, but inkblot looking design. You know, the ones that you see in movies where you have to guess whatever you're seeing on this inkblot. I accompanied that visual with some custom typography and I decided that that would work for the front cover of the vinyl album, while the other design I made would look really well on the actual vinyl. So the mockup I use is from Bulbfish Studios. I think I found it on Creative Market, and if I remember, I'll put a link down in the description. If I didn't do that and you cannot find it, let me know in the comments and I'll try to link it anyways. I'm really happy with the result, and like the previous 9 designs, I put this on an A3 poster to keep the tradition going. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you can get the project file from this video, so the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, whatever, on my Patreon channel. There's a link down in the description if you want to check it out. And be sure to check in again tomorrow for the next day of Creatober.